Welcome to this demo event for ADB. My name is Fab. I'm the MD of Hoosh, and we have our events team in the back end that you might have seen on the chat window. So I'm going to be showing you the backstage of StreamYard. So what you're seeing here is the backstage of StreamYard on one of my videos. So this is literally my screen here. So if you see my finger, I'm pointing there. And also what I'm actually streaming to StreamYard. So I'm going to first go through how to use comments. So one of the things with StreamYard is it allows you to simultaneously stream to YouTube, obviously to hop in, that's what you're looking at right now, and also to LinkedIn Live and many other places. But one of the most interesting things is you can interact with people on other channels. So for example, this is me sending a message on the YouTube live video. And so just to show you what that actually looks like, let me show you that. Oh, here we go, another comment. So this is a way of interacting with multiple different live platforms at the same time through Hopin. And so what I'm doing now is just quickly sharing the YouTube channel. So this could be on YouTube channel. Were you to chat on this particular channel, then I would get it through and I could feature those. And that's very, very good for engagement with other channels. So I'm just going to stop that now for bandwidth. Okay, so there I just simulated a dropout just to show you what it would look like. You would have multiple different speakers at the time. So if you can have a look here on the backstage on this screen here, you can see my different speakers are here. So you might have an MC that jumps in. You'll have your different speakers waiting to go live on your stream. So that's how the commenting works. That's how you feature different comments. And then you can also hide them as well. So show and hide all these comments. So it's quite a handy way to engage with your audience. The other thing is banners. So banners, there's two types of banners. You can show, for example, this scrolling ticker banner at the bottom, as you can see. And then the other one is a fixed banner like this. You can show them at the same time, but it usually makes sense to just show them separately. So that's how you can show banners and hide banners as well. So that's a good way to have call to actions during your actual talks. Now, where it gets more interesting is where you now start to share slides. You can have multiple videos. So I'm already showing you multiple videos. Here's an example of a slideshow that I preloaded. I already showed you how you can share a browser window when I showed you that YouTube. But you can also change the layouts. So in your branding, among other things that you can change, you can also flip between these layouts. So for example, I could go solo layout, this one here. I could have a split screen layout. This is a smaller split screen layout. Spotlight layout is when you have a particular speaker that is at the fore and then secondary speakers. The other layout is a news layout. So that's just where you're sharing something, but you don't necessarily want the full size. You just want something small. So we call that the news layout. And then the other one is, and there's quite a few of these, so I won't go through all of them. That gives you an idea of the way you can manipulate those different layouts. And then the last thing is private chat. So there's a private chat area that allows me then to chat to my guests without actually putting them on video. So that's a really quick intro into what you can do with the backstage of StreamYard. And if you're watching this on a live stage, you can go over to sessions, and one of the sessions will be, I'll still be streaming through one of the sessions. So to continue through this, I'm just going to go through some of these slides and talk about Hoosh for the next 5 minutes. And so obviously this is all accelerated, so I'll be pretty quick. Hoosh is the main services partner for Hopin in the region. So we've done all kinds of events. We run our own events. We run our own game shows. So for example, one I'm showing is called Events Heist, where we have event professionals come on, play a game, and swap war stories. So we have a big, about 7,000 plus audience of event professionals throughout the world. Event Tech 800, that's ours. It's a super graphic of all the event tech out there. We have lots of big customers in enterprise, so the Rest Supers, Australian Super, big financial companies in Australia. And because we were an On20, we were the only On24 partner for a long time. And so during COVID, we serviced a lot of enterprise customers in the space. And then since then, we've moved over to Hopin because it is our favorite technology. We've become a certified partner and we service pretty much all of the Hopin launch packs and events that run through the APAC region. And so just to give you an idea of some of the events we've run CIO Summit IDG, that's a big one, 1,000 people in Australia, New Zealand. We've run Coca-Cola Top Leaders Meet. So this was very similar to this style, but it was a hybrid event. So it had the real stage, big LCD screen, multiple camera angles, as you can see through there. So that's kind of quickly what we've been through. I just want to quickly go through that and let you explore the rest for networking and expo.